ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నొక్కండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, ఆల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. హైడ్రోస్పియర్ 9th క్లాస్ సోషల్ స్టడీస్ పార్ట్ 2 బిట్స్. Which ocean is called the coldest ocean? Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Correct answer, Arctic Ocean. Which ocean is called the busiest ocean? Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. Correct answer, Atlantic Ocean. Option C correct. A line joining points on the seabed at an equal vertical distance beneath the surface. Isobar, isotherms, isoheights, isobaths. Correct answer, isobaths. Option D correct. This is a renewable energy source. Fluorine, chlorine, waves, oceans. Correct answer, waves. Submarine cannons are observed in trenches, deep sea plain, continental slope, continental shelf. Correct answer, continental slope. The ocean temperature is influenced by latitudes, ocean currents, winds, all the above. Correct answer, all the above. Option A, B, C are correct. The ocean current which flows speedily is a stream, drift, gulf, none of the above. Correct answer, stream. RF means rainfall. RO plus ET, OR plus ET, ET plus OQ, FT plus OR. Correct answer, RO plus ET. RO means runoff, ET evapotranspiration. The ocean currents that flows slowly is a gulf, drift, stream, none. Correct answer, drift. Ocean currents are caused by centrifugal force, effects of winds, precipitation and solar energy. All are correct. Correct answer, all are correct. 3 options is right. The wind with a speed of 50 miles produces ocean currents whose velocity is miles per hour. 0.75, 7.5, 0.075, 75. Correct answer, 0.75 miles per hour. These areas received more rainfall: the equatorial areas, the tundra area, tropics, the poles. Correct answer, equatorial areas. Which of the following is not the factor affecting salinity? Precipitation, glaciers, condensation, ocean currents. Correct answer, condensation. Mariana Trench is in the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, none. Correct answer, the Pacific Ocean. Which of the following consists the highest salinity? Dead Sea, Arctic Ocean, Baltic Sea, Hudson Bay. Correct answer, Dead Sea. Which of the following consists the lowest salinity? Dead Sea, Hudson Bay, Great Salt Lake, Lake Van. Correct answer, Hudson Bay. The primary mechanism of transporting water from the atmosphere to the surface of the earth is evaporation, precipitation, condensation, all the above. Correct answer, precipitation. Find the odd one out. Lake Van, Dead Sea, Baltic Sea, Great Salt Lake. Correct answer, Baltic Sea. Dash percentage of total water on the earth is saline ocean water. 68.7%, 2.75%, 97.25%, 29.9%. Correct answer, 97.25%. Dash is a cyclic resource. Water, air, coal, wind. Correct answer, water. First successful worldwide deep sea exploration was conducted with Java, Horizon, Challenger, News. Correct answer, Challenger. Dash percentage of pure water is present in underground. 29.9%, 1.4%, 98.7%, 67.8%. Correct answer, 29.9%. Which sea recorded highest temperature? Baltic Sea, Black Sea, Red Sea, none. Correct answer, Red Sea.